Before you zip up that tent or light the campfire, here is one thing that could make or break your camping trip: the weather. Hey guys, welcome back to GovZ Travels. It's another weekend, and today we are taking you along on our first ever camping trip in the US, an overnight adventure at Lake Eufaula in the beautiful state of Oklahoma. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel stories and adventures. Like, share, and check out our previous trips with the link provided in the description box below. We started early in the morning from Houston to Dallas, and after meeting up with our friends in Dallas, we began our journey towards Lake Eufaula. It's about 200 miles from Dallas, roughly a 3-hour drive. Lake Eufaula, also known as Eufaula Lake, is a reservoir located on the Canadian River about 27 miles upstream from where it joins the Arkansas River. It's close to the town of Eufaula and surrounded by peaceful nature, perfect for a weekend escape. It was a pleasant morning and excitement was in the air. For many of us, this was our first camping experience in the US. We set up our tents, hung the hammocks, and started collecting extra firewood. The ladies were busy preparing food and chatting while the kids were having the time of their lives, exploring, playing, and enjoying delicious snacks around the campfire. We had checked the weather forecast and knew there was a chance of thunderstorms and wanted to take a chance. Around 8 p.m., heavy winds and rain hit us. We all rushed into our tents, hoping it would pass quickly. Luckily, it calmed down in about 15 minutes. We continued with our dinner, which we brought from home. But by 11 p.m., the weather took another turn. Heavy rain, lightning, and thunderstorms returned, and we had to run back into our tents. It was a cold, stormy night, and the lightning was honestly scary, but we made it through. Despite the wild weather, the beauty of Lake Eufaula made it all worth it. The location was stunning, and waking up to that peaceful morning view was just incredible. We packed up early, headed to the common area, had our breakfast, and then started our drive back to Dallas. It was a short, sweet, and truly unforgettable experience. After all, camping with friends, where memories are made and laughter never ends. This trip was a great reminder that you should always check the weather forecast and be prepared for the situation, especially when camping in Texas. The weather can be super unpredictable and might totally change your plans. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. If you have had a wild or unforgettable camping trip, drop your story in the comments below. We would love to hear it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel stories from GovZ Travels. Until next time, goodbye and keep exploring.
ಚೇರೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಹೌದು.
Oh my goodness! I don't think you can do everything. You sit on it, and how to do it. No, like, okay, first. It's so hurting. The road to get you. Road cross. Time consuming. Chilling out. Okay. Remember to subscribe. Wait for the next video.
Hi friends.
Tanish, say hi.
Hi, all my followers.
Yeah. You can say, please subscribe to our channel. You can
Yeah,
say.
subscribe.
ಹಾಂ ಬತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ವೆರೈಟಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ
Specific, like one.
Picture abhi baaki.
No, like I specific one, like saying.
ನಿಂಗೆ
Huh? How did that not work?
ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಕಟ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಕಟ್ಟಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ₹1 ಹೋಗುದಿಲ್ಲ
ಬೆಡ್ಶೀಟ್ ಕೊಡಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ನಿನ್ನ ಸಣ್ಣ ಬೆಡ್ಶೀಟ್ ಕೊಡು ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಬೆಡ್ಶೀಟ್ ಈಗ ಈ ಟಿಶ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈ ಒರೆಸ್ಕೊ ಈಗ ತಕೋ
Hi, subscribe to our channel. Wait, what? Yeah. The people don't know. I'm like, where are you? Hi. Wait. Rider.
You see the binky up.
Rider. Your weakness, light.
ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಸಾಮಾನು ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಇದೆ
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು ಈಗ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ
I